The Dragon Age, or the Age of Dragons, is a fictional concept that commonly appears in fantasy literature, films, video games, and mythology. Dragons never actually existed, but different cultures have various stories and beliefs about such creatures. Dragons in fantasy literature and culture. In fantasy literature, dragons are usually depicted as powerful, fearsome, and ancient creatures. They are usually depicted as flying, breathing fire, and possessing magical powers. Dragons appear in various books and films, including Harry Potter, The Lord of the Rings, Warcraft, Dragonlance, and others. Dragons in mythology. Dragons, or snake-like creatures, have been mentioned in mythology since ancient times. Dragons are depicted in various forms and powers in Chinese, Indian, Greek, Egyptian, and Norse mythology. For example, in Chinese mythology, dragons guide each other. They are symbols of good luck and strength. In Indian mythology, the dragon, or naga, snake, appears as a symbol of the battle between the gods and the forces of evil. In Greek mythology, dragons usually played a guarding or hindering role, as one of the 12 labors of Heracles was a battle with a dragon. Dragons in various fictional creations. Dragons often share some common characteristics in various stories, such as fire breathing. Dragons are able to breathe fire. Giant body. Sometimes they take on a huge size and are able to fly in the sky. Treasures. In many stories, dragons hold vast treasures and act as guardians of that treasure. Types of dragons can come in many different forms, and their characteristics can vary depending on their origin. Dragons are generally divided into several groups. Western dragons. These dragons are traditionally large, filled with dense fire, and are often depicted as hostile. They usually have large fins, long tails, sharp teeth, and the ability to breathe fire. Eastern dragons, Chinese dragons. These dragons are usually large, snake-like in structure, and are known to be calm, intelligent, and powerful. They always bring good news and are a symbol of good luck. Northern Norse dragons. In Norse mythology, dragons are usually symbols of thieves who guard valuable treasures and artifacts. For example, the dragon called Fulind is notable in mythology. Magical dragons. Some dragons possess special powers, such as crystal dragons or ASL dragons, which may have magical powers and great mystical properties. Concept of the Dragon Age. In fantasy stories, the term Dragon Age sometimes refers to a period of time when dragons were omnipresent on Earth and were in conflict with other creatures, including humans. During this era, dragons were usually very powerful, and their presence became an important part of society. In some stories, one of the most powerful dragons is identified as a master dragon. Such concepts never occur in reality, but fictional periods such as the Dragon Age are created in the imagination of people through various narratives and stories.
Thank you, everyone. If you like the video, please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.